Welcome back to Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes, and y'all, this is lesson 8. We are going to be making a delicious and very hearty plant-based dinner that is totally show-stopping, and you can bring it to any family gathering. Get ready to wow your taste buds and light up the table with a showstopper that is as vibrant as it is delicious. This rainbow-filled recipe is the ultimate centerpiece, my herb roasted cauliflower, smothered in a buttery herb sauce, topped with crispy chickpeas and paired with a zesty, spicy green hummus. Every bite is pure bliss. We're starting off with our star ingredient, a whole cauliflower. Now, purple is my favorite, but any color will do. First, chop off those extra greens and give the cauliflower a quick boil in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften it up. Okay, so while that's bubbling away, let's whip up our buttery herb sauce. In a bowl, combine minced basil, parsley, melted vegan butter, and a touch of maple syrup with Dijon mustard. Add salt and pepper to taste and mix it all together until you got a sauce that's rich, herby, and oh so buttery. Once your cauliflower is boiled and ready, coat it in that glorious buttery herb sauce. Now make sure you get in there and cover every nook and cranny. That's where all the flavor happens. Now pop it into the oven at 400 degrees on the bottom rack and let it roast for 30 to 60 minutes, covering it in more sauce halfway through. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now let's make those crispy chickpeas. In a bowl, toss cooked chickpeas with oil, poultry seasoning, and smoked paprika. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast them at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes, shaking things up halfway through for that perfect crunch. And what's a feast without a little heat? Let's blend up our spicy green hummus. In your blender, combine plain hummus or cooked chickpeas with fresh jalapeno, basil, mint, spinach, nutritional yeast, and a splash of vegetable broth. Blend it together until it's smooth, creamy, and packed with flavor. Ooh, don't forget to season it with a little salt and pepper to taste. Yes, this is my favorite part. We get to plate things up. Start with a layer of that spicy green hummus. Put a dollop in the middle of your plate and just spread it out in a circular motion. Place your golden roasted cauliflower on top and finish with a sprinkle of those crispy chickpeas all throughout. Now garnish this masterpiece with some minced red peppers and fresh herbs on top. This dish is a feast for your eyes, for your spirit, and your soul. And as you are feasting, don't forget to sing your song, do your dance, speak your truth, and dive into this beautiful roasted cauliflower creation. Happy feasting, everyone. I love how easy it is to be vegan. Honestly, you can create so many incredible recipes with just a few ingredients. And if you want to dig deeper, if you want to find out more about eating plant-based, I invite you to becoming One Great Vegan. Y'all be sure to click the link below because this is an amazing course where we dive so deep into recipes and transformative lifestyle changes that you can make so you can thrive, so you can feel so alive, and you can embrace every single bit of your health today. I need y'all to click the link below so you can find out, and I will see y'all at the next lesson. Peace!